The Schleswig-Holstein Mudflats National Park on the shores of the North Sea in Germany is one of the world's most precious wetlands and the habitat of many rare plants and animals. The turn of the tide, caused by gravitational and centrifugal forces between Sun, Moon and Earth, forms this marvelous landscape, making it unique and worth protecting. This area is a home for numerous bird species and a resting place for many migratory birds. The national park is one of the last wildernesses in Europe. Interferences in this ecosystem are strictly regulated. The Holm Nordstrandisch Moor. The project, trenchless installation of a 5,200-meter-long drinking water supply line, outside diameter 225 millimeters, from the mainland through the mudflats to the Holm. The soil muddy, swampy. The tide changes every 6 hours. A struggle against tide water and natural forces in a sensitive ecosystem. The contracting company, Benno Pasch from Dahrmendorf, Germany, used the Grundodrill 12G from Traktortechnik and the pipe and cable plough from Georg Vöckersberger for this difficult task. Both techniques are eco-friendly, trenchless, fast and cost-effective. Traktortechnik and Georg Vöckersberger formed a trenchless alliance under the name Drill and Plough. Traktortechnik produces horizontal directional drilling systems, and Vöckersberger manufactures pipe and cable ploughs for the trenchless installation of pipes. Both systems complement each other meaningfully when installing new pipelines. The first section is the connection of the route to the existing pipeline on the mainland. The undercrossing of the dike was carried out with the Grundodrill 12G. First, the pilot bore is established with the Grundodrill boring system. The operator permanently monitors the course of the bore head. The bore head is driven ahead by thrust, mud pressure, torque and the percussive hammer. The percussive hammer is an exclusive feature of Traktortechnik's boring systems, supporting thrust and steerability in soils which are difficult to penetrate by dynamically striking the drill rods. When reaching the target, the bore head is exchanged for an upsizing head, the so-called back reamer. When the drill rods are pulled back, the back reamer expands the bore channel for the subsequent pulling in of the pipe. There are numerous reasons for applying the HDD technique, also in inner city areas. For example, minimal traffic disturbance, short construction times, and the preservation of valuable surfaces. The technique is applied for installing drainage and supply lines, as well as for the installation of data lines and monitoring cables, for soil improvements and decontamination measures. The next section is the installation of the drinking water pipe through the mudflats with the Vöckersberger pipe and cable plough. The pipe and cable plough was re-equipped and adapted to the prevailing conditions in the mudflats, making it the ideal machine for this difficult installation task. The undercarriage was fitted to the conditions in the mudflats by equipping its 4 universally hydraulically adjustable extensions with runners. Thus, the soil load is reduced to a minimum. The installation work can only be carried out at low tide and is constantly threatened by the flood. The advantages of the ploughing technique are minimal interference in nature, short installation times, low personnel costs, and the machine's excellent all-terrain capability. The installation unit, which consists of a pulling vehicle and a pipe plough, can install up to 24 pipes as a bundle or pipes up to 355 millimeters in diameter trenchlessly in one working cycle. The pulling vehicle pulls the plough by means of a cable winch. A support shield keeps the vehicle's position. The plough lamella displaces the surrounding soil and creates a hollow space for the pipe. Simultaneously, the pipe itself is fed in via the installation shaft and pulled in parallel to the plough root at a depth of 1.50 meters. The installation slot closes up after the pipe is installed. The Trenchless Alliance offers solutions even for unexpected problems. 400 meters in front of the Holm, the soil gets softer with less bearing capability. Despite the low soil pressure, the vehicles sink in too deep. The Grunderdrill boring system gives assistance and installs the missing 400 meters of pipe from the Holm to the mainland. The 12-meter-long pipe modules have already been welded together on shore, forming a complete pipe string, which was carried through the mud flats to the place of installation and pulled in over a total length of 200 meters. The complete installation of the drinking water pipeline took only 9 days altogether. This groundbreaking project demonstrates that cable plough and HDD systems are a perfect match. It's the declared aim of the Trenchless Alliance to offer construction companies efficient and eco-friendly complete solutions for the trenchless installation of pipelines. More information at www.cableplough-systems.com.